Great athletes work out on their own. They don't need anybody. They are alone, one-on-one with themselves. It's not that they don't appreciate like-minded individuals, but in truth, they are fighting on their own, with themselves. Great athletes are ambitious. They are the ones that rise before the sun. It's not that they don't care about other athletes. Sometimes they just check in to see how the next one is doing. But you see, it's about overcoming extreme adversity. That ambition is the way to greatness. You can't do this together. But sometimes you just have to look out for each other, you know? It's not my style, but hey. At least that's what I used to think. But this, it's just more fun.